Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the system. Here we have to tap on advanced and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so simply find it, check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates option, and as you can see right now in my case it is turned off, so just tap on the switcher in order to activate that, and from this moment, from now on, your device will be allowed to install some updates whilst it will be restarted. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.